Kailash Satyarthi, he continues his speech by describing one of the incidents that had deep impact on him. 20 years ago, he met a child laborer who was extremely thin, means he was skinny because of lack of proper nutrition. The child laborer wanted the book so that he could get proper education, and he wanted a toy so that he could play with it. This incident moved Kailash Satyarthi, and he realized that some action was required to set these children free from poverty, child labor, and slavery. That is why the name of the chapter is Set Our Children Free. So, then in his speech, he describes the aim of his life. So he says that his aim in life is that he wants that every child should be free to grow, develop, play, learn, go to school, and above all, he should be free to dream. Furthermore, he says that he has the privilege, means advantage, of working with courageous people, means brave people, who work for the welfare of the poor children. Many challenges, many problems came their way, but they have never given up against any threat or attack, and they continue to work hard for the welfare of the children. So further he says that if any challenge comes in the future, means any difficulty comes their way, they will not stop making the efforts. They will continue to make efforts to work for the upliftment of the underprivileged section of the society. Kailash Satyarthi continues his speech by narrating a story. So there was a huge fire in the forest, and all the animals, they ran away, including the lion. Why? To save their lives. But a small bird carried a drop of water to extinguish the huge fire. By putting his own safety at stake, at risk. So Kailash Satyarthi explains that this story gives a beautiful message that we should play our part honestly and work for the noble cause without thinking about the results or consequences. So with this example, Kailash Satyarthi wants to emphasize that if each individual takes a pledge to do his or her bit to work for the poor children, it may soon result into a huge campaign. So in this chapter, Kailash Satyarthi, he wants to make the audience understand that it is the responsibility of the people to protect the children without discriminating on the basis of caste, color, or creed. Thank you.